evening, welcome back long Wanavala update lo 2024 national referendum election day we stop taking place so been taking place lo today lo yumi stop lo Vanuatu mo lo kita overseas polling stations. All polling stations so just open lo this evening Hemelo New Zealand mo to long Australia and yumi looking say ikat plenty people lo stop showing interest Local custom vote lo lo different polling station across lo country. Start lo Torres Casemanachum, hemia lo Fiji, lo Suva Monandi, motu hemia long New Zealand, motu hemia long Australia. Now long this for the final update, but you miss have a come in lo kasem and some lo get walk about lo yumi or some lo get the findings with team and been go around all different polling stations. Look at the report where we kasem lo different area administrators and presiding officers where we stop lo different polling station across Vanuatu. Lo lisave come in, lo give him all the updates. Lo election day, yeah, today, 29 May 2024. By you may start them off on the story and lo today with them polling stations lo Port Vila, Olivia.
Yes, lo today lo afternoon you may been the team may been save take one around go around lo kita different polling station lo you may lo Port Vila, lo you may look around lo kita last hour or minutes where we stop lo orgata vota li save go vote them custom vote lo kita lo area lo nakamal lo chief a few hours before it stop close you may still looking mol kita last for people will start coming lo putum mol vote lo kita ikon lo ballot box so lo nakamal lo chief lo area lo number 2, number 3, or people will live around, or even or we only no register lo area ya, but or too only got opportunity, but list have custom vote or after we you may have a look him too, Lord Mayor blo Port Vila Municipal Council, we him too Mr. Blo time blo him have put on vote blo him blo make one choice, lo future blo country where you may everyone you may participate. Lohem lo day but today, number 29 May 2024, where everyone public holiday will give him lo Yumi everyone.
Yumi out long Chiefs Nakamal polling station. Yumi move he come down lo nearest polling station to Chiefs Nakamal. Hemi polling station long Tampere where hemi stop now ya long or today hemi stop long Owen Hall lo PMC Church long Port Vila. And hemi now hemi some long kita lo screen play you have a look him hemi polling station long PMC or Owen Tampere Hall where stop long PMC Church long Port Vila long today and continue lo same timing where you may stop here lo afternoon here kolosa polling station hemi close but they still got people will go lo custom vote lo kita lo taking part lo this for the first ever national referendum where countries stop go through the election plan lo today 29 November now no 29 May now you may Kasem say ikat to two different people after long you may tablo PMC you may move go down lo Port Vila town hall let me place where got voting to it taking place let me Port Vila town hall let me one look at the polling station where me not really busy too much also all navla polling station all get staffs all polling station here list up lo one easy mode slow mode lo a day blood today from say ipin kat people only have early morning local vote and then as you come the lunchtime you come kasem before polling station hemi close it got plenty space or plan only just walk in no more custom vote lokata mo go down you be kasem too every me long or just before you me go ahead with the navla polling station you me pin team and me pin kasem olkata long XFL polling station
lo XFL you me been one olkata polling station where lo plan the past election blo yumi lo general election you stop got big number of people will come start vote lo place here so about over lo 2,000 people only start vote lo polling station here and lo this time lo referendum election where me stop go ahead here you may been got Chinese blo survey got one update with the presiding officer blo polling station blo XFL where hemi survey story and lo yumi little bit about observation lo voting when we been start lo 7:30 lo morning that's lo afternoon just few hours before hemi close time team hemi been pass round
Mimi Pierrick Mimi presiding officer lo polling station to Yumi lo XFOL. Yumi kat 5,000 plus registered voters lo Plesia. Polling station to Yumi hemi open lo 8 o'clock lo morning, mo hemi close lo 5 o'clock. Yumi kat all voters to Yumi will stop kam exercise right lo kata. One lo all observation we make so far hemi number lo all kita we only register lo all different polling station we only stop kam hemi high for different reasons. Some will sabi ko back lo lailan will come learn from maybe problem lo transportation or maybe only come school or for some nara reason backen. Some nara one tu mi vlen notice will come lo bisa from only find him say emi easy lo kita lo only custom vote lo kita lo one shot time emi hemi from no how mi vle control ma queue lo place ya I happen to semi vle stop lo XFOL emi one gym so I got one space tu mi vle butum lo bigingil sai vle play lem while lo parents only stop custom vote lo kata so sam lo factor na mi kem si all plan de vote only stop kam lo place ya especially yang kata we vote lo different polling station. So far kasem now ya I think majority of everyone welcome katol ID card which is good. One lol bifla namba lo all voter tu emi all new voter we welcome. So emi hemi one good flash sign for emi swem se only kat concern lo future lo country lo Yumi. So Yumi notice him to say kata different kategori lo people lo likam all kita will kat special need mo tu kol kita will katol work commitment for example all kita will lista lo correctional center lo Yumi everyone living camp lo plesia so how mi will organize mi will kat different queue kat one queue lo kita we only kam only kat special need kat one queue tu lo kita we time only kam for example correctional center mi will change some table allocate mo kata prioritize mo kata lo 7 for example lo kita will kam lo corrections mo ikat one queue tu we hemi look tu lo all pipi flaman lo Yumi all minister all MP all councillor tam only kam mi will accommodate mo kata tu lo how mi will organize them space inside lo polling station lo XFOL otherwise mi will really glad to receive him every citizen will stop come hemi one good for la science only engage lo civic engagement lo kata mo I think my first time mo mi vlay look say one good for la turnout mo you may look forward to harem about outcome lo voting lo today.
Wetem update we mi kamotia mi come back lo talem se hemi lo time we before polling station mi close already now ya every polling station Yumi throughout the country only close finish mo plan de lol kita officers or polling clerk only sta make all last arrangement lo kita lo make sure say process plus send them all kita ballot box sem stop come by mi come back lo podvila lo normal arrangement or process where government emi put mi stop so Yumi cut one short break after then Yumi save come back again lo harem more updates lo all kita polling station we only still open yet all start continue them voting lo kita especially lo country outside lo Vanuatu.
All bigni belong you all stop school yet all beginning belong you only start work finish one day time you no must stop you think say beginning belong you but him stop good you must sabe say future belong beginning belong you and Mr. belong hand belong you long 29 May 2024 and me time belong you must vote from future belong all beginning belong country vote long you, and me voice long you.
Welcome back, Law Referendum Update, straight Law Media Center, Law 2024 National Referendum, and this time by Yumi join them, and comes representative long Media Center where he stop now in Australia, Mr. Anton Malsungay, by him come in, he talk about all the polling stations, especially in Australia, place where he stop them now, in Sydney, talk about say voting, he go ahead more, talk about or give him some kind of update since polling station he open lot today evening.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back and roll update to me, Australia. Tonight, this afternoon or this evening, me stop with Consul General Vanuatu, Sydney, Mr. Donald Pella. By him, me give him some update to me, polling station, Sydney, where I'm already pursuing Naya, take a look at people to Vanuatu, around the area, city of Sydney. Loli sabi kam vote. Consul, also presiding officer lo Presia lo Sydney.
Yes, thank you too much, media pro government so start lo Sydney lo town hall. Lo yun sabi yung small update. So yun lo Sydney lo town hall, Sydney town hall. You make at one presiding officer when we go at a police station in the Sydney, and you make at two pala Narawan, pula polling clerk, when one of the students where started the Jackson Yako, and the other one officer where come to Vanuatu, and we employ Tariponda. So, Mivla Trina, Mivla started the set, and we go at them. Sydney. So while you miss up the people that are students, Sydney or New South Wales, some of them we block at things again, low you miss up low Sydney or even Australia. Pull up look at workers play you work at farms and even some we work at the constructions, but we stop far away low central. So that's the way you may look place here. Government decided low we will voting and we start low 4 o'clock afternoon and by go percent low 8 o'clock low night. So that's the way by we will start episode get away we start finish work. At least some of the come some of the place in long way a little bit. Only decide to come low from that low. Wednesday, you make the Thursday, you make the Friday, you make the Saturday, and you make the Sunday.
Any call at people believe me around the Sydney, so just me encourage more than more casting vote for for citizen, but you can make a vote with a man and ask him to become vote.
Yes, also presiding officer for Union, same time Consul General for Vanuatu, Australia. List of make an appeal to every people citizens law country Vanuatu. You one national duty for each one you may come to the custom report you may have plan to look at awareness and then you right to you come to the custom report one instead now you think government should consider it. One institution now you think government should put them. You miss move forward. So me start making an appeal like you you're not thinking down or you know one them say that you can vote, please asking me you can vote. Suppose you start because one privilege, one national thing. At least you start law Australia, you can start voting. Some of from this you will start law Vanuatu, or get that to look at that 22 to the custom vote. So Mr. Appeal Mr. Po, you will come to the custom vote. So you may also want me start law Church Street, Sydney, town hall.
So as we missed up again more report this afternoon, we got some even what we stop outside finish, we ready to come vote. And by you may continue, but you may update me lo referendum page, lo activity lo presi. More especially lo participation lo for one or two citizen, lo referendum day long today, while Australia by me go kasem lo weekend. So you may still tune every time lo referendum page, but you may say kasem more updates lo activity lo election long Australia.
Thank you, Antoine. Lo update where you sabi give him lo Yumi lo Sydney, Australia with the polling station where me stop open finish mo kita voters plo Yumi lo all ni Vanuatu will live lo way, especially all kita workers plo Yumi stop custom vote plo kita. Mo tu not only lo Australia but me lo New Zealand too we bambay Yumi for them with them all different vote polling station where li open finish start lo 4 o'clock, 1 or 2 time where you make at all workers play me, only stop time where polling station and we open, or get ali start go into blowly custom all vote blow or get all different polling station or some low blame polling station where me been open, more voters only stop go inside. You may cut to low polling station blow more to Wekalo Nelson Bay, low New Zealand. Ikat one total blow 85 ni Vanuatu will custom vote pro kita lo today. No more hemiatu hemi my name say lo all days we stop come is still open yet blow all narafla or kita will no been survey start vote today but by still kachanis blow vote all day we Mr. Piet. So now yeah Mr. Plo Yumi lo Vanuatu all polling station only close. Bamba you missed up caramel story and site lo all update lo polling station will open yet only stop ko to custom vote po kita or some Antoine Mitalem lo Australia mi ko custom number 2 June and you lo New Zealand 2 sama kol kita li kat some days stop yet lo li save custom vote po kita from no mo oli work mo samfulali must come after the work lo li custom vote po kita. So you may flexible with them all time where you may give him lol kita workman loli sabe custom vote kita blo exercise national duty blo kita we only participate with the Yumi back law country too we make him lo day but today.
And as you missed up take all updates here, think about say ikat for Australia alone ikat kolos up long 10,000 different vote or close up 10,000 plus voters. So ni Vanuatu will stop low and for Australia or for New Zealand, you got close up 6,000 voters will stop low. And hemi by hemi look one big for the number of close up 20,000 or between 20,000 voters. We should expect them to custom vote lo overseas polling stations. Lo screen play you hemi polling station lo fresh water stop go towards end lo hem before me sarem or close up door hem lo today long afternoon. Hemi along Port Villa and fresh waters polling station 2 hemi stop also one look at a big flap polling station long Port Villa and long Island long Efate. Now long update where media center hemi receive him long get a different polling stations across lo Vanuatu start lo Topa kasem Yumi down lo Tafe province. Ikat all get kututla 10 out lo get votes where you missed up kasem lo get a different provinces throughout lo Vanuatu. And you missed up look forward for more update lo hemi later on lo day lo tomorrow. But back end lo remind them you mean no more lo election lo today you should cut one total long colos up 100 more 89,200 more 4 people were only eligible to vote more only cut one national ID card lo only vote and 2 you may pin harem 2 say ikat no matter lo hemia but ikat plante we only cut issue lo card lo vote 2 only stop expect them to receive him card lo vote or card lo vote the national ID card lo kata lo polling station before only vote pe it happens in open card and 2 ikat Navla challenges now hemi to do with them. You got some polling station only just only no cut that every material for voting is stop long on get a ballot box so hemi go. For instance, lo Yumi Olivia lo Island lo Tongariki lo Shepherds only cut lo morning only must open late from the most say in open cut or get voting or ballot paper plus 17B so they must go across lo nearby island lo take him some lo hemi and me looking as you missed up give him update here. He got same kind situation, 1 or 2 polling station, New Zealand too, and only stop trying best to address same issue here. And then we all errors with Mr. Kassem, all different, all time the elections, you mean. Now, helper one, hemi stop yet lo Torpa province, and hopefully by hemi stop out finish lo Torpa lo come down long province, long Sanma, Malampa Matu, lo Penamatu, and then we continue to collect them on ballot boxes, lo Kassem, Yumi, long Port Villa. And by towards end this update by Mr. Principal Electoral Officer, by Mr. Kamin will give you more lo heme. But Olivia, maybe some look at the story and where you make lo all get at different polling stations across, or maybe lo both Villa Motu or Navla Island lo voting today.
Lo overall look where Mr. Blosat all get a polling station, everyone only close low time. No matter you make at some challenge where only have experience with them all get a vote you me. But it looks only been turn out blow only solve them more low level blow electoral office and also more minor issues no more well get sort them out. Lo storian blow ID card Mr. Lo level blow all authority where li look out but by only look more lahem. From one challenge where you may face all time lo every election lo past election time you use some card lo vote but this time with them ID card. Hemi sample something where all time by me must try and blow you me address them. Time you me look him say today, for example, lo Port Villa, lo office, lo civil registry, me still got plan the people only go blow, only start them all IT card blow kita, and plan the lokata li manage blow, only save obtain them only go vote too lo. Day today before all polling station only close lo 4:30 lo today afternoon. All places where you make at all polling station on island you me all election team only try and find him some way only assist him or get a voter only still save vote suppose only no register or motu suppose only no carry enough information yet only got chance only provide them information like that help them get a save make him choice get a exercise them national duty only give him get a day today sale yes so somebody me tell him little bit lo site get a ballot box where is stop come back. You may must tell them to say all get a ballot box where by me come in system blow counting by I mean also time will stop you may stop expect them say inside law one polling station after where polling station I may close lo general election for example snap election you may start make them counting system I mean no se mark lo this time from me one referendum system where you may law government you may put to one system where by me make him say you may not have make him any counting now from no more say you got some election polling station only open yet from where this time you may tell him say me one constituency no more where you make him say you may every polling station round of Vanuatu include them overseas too so timing may different. You may stop lo vote lo day lo today, but you may got some other country where you may got all man please start go ahead lo vote. That is why counting I mean also have taken place.
Yes, and speaking lo la country long Fiji to the polling station where only on lo Fiji by only still go ahead lo day lo tomorrow 2 days. Only open lo 9 o'clock lo morning, kasem lo 5 o'clock lo afternoon, and hemi stop today, motuba go ahead back and lo tomorrow, and also lo Australia mo New Zealand, ba only go ahead lo vote kasem lo number 2 plo manis new vala manis plo June 2024. Information we make kasem too lo kita ID card suppose you pin look all kita pictures where come first time earlier lo screen blue you hemi all kita video where you can say all actions all short say me taking place today no more even though me public holiday more day plo vote but still office plo civil registry information management hemi still busy crowded start lo morning kasem long afternoon plo only service sort them out and the information we me kasem lo director plo cream and pin talamount say lo day at the day 29 May 2024 election day obviously me issue bitim lo 250 national ID card we call the people plo Vanuatu will leave lo Port Villa in order plo li participate co-part lo election day lo today long to lo this national referendum. By me fala come back after a short break and hopefully after the break by me save for them me talk long principal electoral officer.
Vanuatu Hello, yumi everyone. Ose wa yumi sabe ba yumi katuan national referendum we ba mi start lo number 29 May. Mi vlay wan dem letem yula sabe no mo lo wanem now pa mi wan ravis vote mo wanem na mi wan kutla vote. So hemi mi wan ravis vote from no mo ikat every ballot paper mi stop outside no mo. Stop inside low envelope. So I'm important to mass, make sure say you cut all ballot paper please inside low envelope. I'm one rubbish vote, I'm one empty envelope. So I'm important to mass, make sure say all ballot paper please put in inside low envelope. Hemi one rubbish vote, every ballot paper go inside lo one envelope. So hemi important to mass, make sure say you got 2 ballot paper no inside lo envelope please. Hemi one rubbish vote, hemi vote lo sema question 17B green mo 17B red. So hemi important to mass, you must vote lo 2 la question 17A mo 17B. Mi one rubbish vote from no cut one note go inside with all ballot paper lo envelope. So important to mass make sure say time you custom vote play you know put them in a something by can go inside lo envelope play. Mi one kutula vote, mi vote no lo 17A mo 17B. Mi one kutula vote, mi vote yes lo 17A mo 17B. So hemi important to mass play me understand one now hemi all rubbish vote mo one now mi all kutula vote. Lo make sure say mi vote for them straight fashion blow vote mo only save count them vote play me. Vote play you mi voice play you.
So what do I do?
Welcome back again. Lo update where you missed up give him out. Yes, I'm true to mass. I'm important. Blow you may must have a good how blow vote while you missed up vote overseas. You may all get the listeners, all get the followers where you missed up follow page. Blow you may lo national referendum. I'm important. Blow you may take note. Blow you may not make one mistake from suppose you may make a rubbish vote then vote. Blow you may no good ya now mo may no straight. Blow you save count them. So what them hemia by you me save join them all important talk where you me save katlo today with them one of the big man blue me where you me save talk with them today.
Yes, semi principal electoral officer Plovana to electoral office Mr. Malisas time Mr. Storan with the mimi lo think lo kata or outcome lo election lo today and also plus start them of discussion with me by me talk about to confirm whether suppose every polling station across Vanuatu will is supposed to open today or they actually open them door kata allow more people to cast them vote kata.
To answer the question ya by me telemorsem se me no tusu as everyone from some places you got communication lack of communication network me no receive many report from everyone lo talem se voting mi sap ko could me assume se mi alright pe with them all repatriation ballot boxes fully by only come with some report se some places so they start late or you got all problem lo all when arrival boxes or any material where maybe miss out make them say me prevent them all polling places sample polling places lo sabe karamat vote lo today but otherwise with them call center when me establish him lo attend lo any queries where come I not got anything today so hopefully say something emi alright every places. Every man is in Aptet vote. And with them all overseas polling station, imi kat 21 altogether, 13 lo Australia, 5 lo New Zealand, mo 2 lo Suva, numia mi 4 lo Port Vila. So mekem imi total mapemia with them every polling station plo Vanuatu, imi end up with them 376 polling station where live in operate today lo polling day. And case flow Australia, New Zealand, and a little bit special. Okata li cut until 2nd of June lo save custom vote lo kata. So me one special treatment way yumi kim lo kata under lo regulation way oli sanem mo ikasetet. So me just allow as much as many people lo save turn up lo vote. And especially okata will start a farm lo the time oli work maybe lo weekend oli save come and vote lo all 13 police station ya lo Australia, 5 lo New Zealand, mo 2 lo Suva. And amena wanya mo ami stop na ya.
Ikat plante concern lo day plot today in relation lo ID cards. Ikat somewhere you been expecting say ballot box say we should go with them all new vala ID cards will you been making ya. In all same way in come in all same expectation lo some lo kita you got any comment lang?
Okay, with the national ID card imi kat civil registry office ami responsible lo registerem mo use national ID card mo dispatchem. So okata level blokata dikat all plan blokata all plo how plo dispatchem all katia all national ID card. And absence plo all national ID card lo polling station imi fesem planti time finish. And electoral office with them department of civil status I work very hard lo try lo minimize them or prevent them lo all issue no stuff happen every time the election from time people let me know kat national ID card I deny right them lo say vote lo one referendum one election. So maybe one something way me feel really kat concern them and me titip lo me feel mas with them department krim we take leadership role lo hemia lo make sure say every ID card you must dispatch lo time or you must cut some quality management system in place lo you monitor them and you make sure say all cut time only depart lo point A only must arrive lo point B. And maybe one challenge way is tapiat lo you must take him be let them department lo civil registry na emi staff lo best position lo answeram how now all katia only dispatch mo only no kasem destination Mr. Minimo kasem handle people way only hone mo katia mo li suppose lo vote lem lo this referendum.
You talk about by towards end lo voting day today by whenever you missed up expecting by hemi verification lo number lo envelopes I can send list where all polling clerks or presiding officers so like at suppose you saw touch up remember hemi want something where everybody lo polling station or the witness them before the sealing of also all naval unofficial results counting lo naval election.
Yes, exactly when we tell them by time only go through the reconciliation process after we close na ya la paspoya. So by only make reconciliation la presence lo everybody we missed up. Okay, lo normal elections play me you make lo presence lo observers even all MP or minister staff lo witness him as far as transparency and concern. Amya ami similar by imi no completing process na mo plo yumi actually pulu matol red mo blue ya len lo pala italem red blue yes no Yumi no make me from say all polling station blo yumi lo vasi voting ino finish yet. So it might influence them somehow, some way. Yes, prevent them, affect them result. So yumi must take some precaution lo plus. That's the way yumi no allow me me. Be mi want to masure holidays kaman blo na tu se inonit lo yumi wari pai. Even yumi make a reconciliation mo lo polling station be ever something by transparent and by me looking result or some way staff and result and straight result yana way yumi save rely lem say yes I'm straight.
So plan plo return plo peta or kita repatriation pack plo kita ballot boxes wali kwantap mi understand help one and Mr. Way to lo far north plo after you pick up you come down and then plan me plo down south plo tafia maybe logistic you got some information where you like him plo give him.
Yes, time we voting melo northern part lo country time voting and me finish lo last island lo EU lo way then ship and me start no easily voting and me stop take him just half the no more on in no cat plenty people too much stop lo small island then reconciliation work and me taking place lo all result there then around afternoon or some ship start on finish she come and only give me enough time lo North Island lo ready lo boxes lo kata then only start picking up become kasem banks from Torres ikam kasem banks ikam lo la salan lo merela vale ele became web lo kata lo kam lo villa ikatuan small island lo banks only korem Merrick Island lo all normal elections play me either national or provincial ta yimi kop lo torbemol box yimi bypassem this island lete morketali vote on North Island lo pex with the rest of the vote finish lo we play me plo come back lo before yimi kasemere lava yimi ko lo pesa yimi ko make one stop lo pesa le allow mo ketap lo vote la lo time before ya around 2000 I think only 5 people is island ya. So make up say important play you know deny rights lo kata di must vote. So you must take him service iko lo to step lo kata then you can relava then you come back. So pro repatriate mol box with them all polling officials, security officials, with them all polling officials by take him approximately 1 or 2 days lo complete him all repatriation come back level. Again with we prevent them all days yes repatriation timing way CP should arrive them lo Port Vila especially.
One polling station where me part lo Port Villa and me lo new mayor. Commission or office you stop cut some ting finish lol kata wetam boli vote bo bali no mo vote suppose you cut any ting lo na yet or no cut.
That's a good question. You mean recently you mean watch him, you mean RM, you mean look him situation lo numia where me prevent them plan something include them access lo all voting arrangement me to lo New Caledonia. And imi continue lo monitor situation through lo communication where you may start making with them one or two consulate lo New Caledonia and as of yesterday consulate mi come back lo talem se situation mi calm down state of emergency only remove finish so mi sabe allow yumi plo yumi sabe karamat vote lo New Caledonia. As a result, Tuvala officer travel today. One special flight will come. Lo colonomia and oli start make all arrangement lo all people blame lo mia oli sabe participate lo vote and time from lo kita emi 29 kasem second June 29 May kasem second June so imi everyone imi believe say no with all arrangement oli cut enough time and especially lo weekend lo sabe accommodate them every eligible voters lo imi lo New Caledonia lo li sabe able lo vote lo referendum.
Thank you, Principal Electoral Officer, also person behind the election of Vanuatu, and also for this first ever national referendum. We must congratulate you, them team play you lo. All get a big follow work with la mekem kasim lot today. Of course, na you got now 4 days no more start before you may start proceed with them or counting more official announcement. Here we go. Any last talk where you think some important people lo Vanuatu only Kasem or li need to survey or maybe some lasting thing where you like him to share with them or people.
Thank you very much. Me like to express some appreciation below me. Equal every important electoral stakeholders we only assist me with them office below electoral office with them electoral commission. Lo yumi sabe karam this referendum true and me one mi no kata mi no sabe how to express them big thank you me lo all important stakeholders ya from assistance will give him and especially ministry of internal affairs with them leadership lo minister with them director general with them all staff all not important stakeholders we only assistem electoral commission with them electoral office plantip lo imitra them this referendum ikam kam kasem tete and very soon by imi ka karamot outcome lo imi yes outcome lo every sacrifice dedication and every effort we imi invest them lo preparing this referendum emi one first ever referendum lo country blame whereby imi stop lo history and ikatol lesson len let them yumi look him how best yumi run memia and yumi identify all weaknesses and yumi strengthen them up and help him prepare for future referendum and with them help everyone with the support everyone with them lesson learned maybe by yumi put next referendum lo one level with different backend tingin yan mo mi like lo talent thank you.
Hemena yu fole me talk lo principal electoral officer Mr. Gela Malisas where me historian lo yu me lelebet when I'm now electoral officer me been make him more sometime me acknowledge him everyone will been contribute lo help him government electoral office lo me survey karamot work lo day but today we no finish yet from some polling station lo yu me overseas tab go ahead yet before you Mr. Kam lo close him up historian lo me lo today you me got any last fala announcement where
yes,
Sale you
election law Port Vila or election law Vanuatu hemi end long today, but you may say katol kata families blimi will live long Australia, New Zealand, and also Fiji and New Caledonia. By election hemi ko yet, and you continue plus kem cooperation play front to make sure see me respect them time lo kata block vote, and you may continue stop wait lo kata kasam time will finish him lo kata elections or polling stations long or kata places say kat calls up 20 polling stations overseas for Fiji you feel like at today or tomorrow plo ko custom vote play fala and you may have an announcement lo morning kat kata presiding officers will kat some ID card yet with them kata and then very important lo students suppose you stop with lo ID card check them out with them kata presiding officer lol tuvala polling station hemelo suva mo to hemelo nandi long Australia with them New Zealand but you fala voting and me continue long every evening assemblies lo 5 kasem 9 o'clock lo evening ko kasem long this fala a weekend number 2 lo manisa June 2023 and also we principal electoral officer hemitalem start lo number 3 lo manis June 2024 by continue blokat or by oketa counting hemisavi start lo time ya mo to folem calendar lo national referendum long iya by official declaration and should come out someplace lo number 10 lo manis June 2024 Lo media center by continue blokato kata update all semel semakad na update all semel by taking place long every day. Kasem time where voting have finished lol kata countries overseas and by all kind of update all semel by sta come out live lo Facebook page lo 2024 referendum and two by Mr. come out lo every morning kasem time where you me go long official declaration long all kata or lo outcome lo this fala national referendum.
Emi first day blow you me lo coverage, but you me still continue lo tomorrow I go. Stop all time with them team more sometime too. You me take him time ya. Lo acknowledge him. Everyone will contribute. Lo give him information. Ikam lo you me lo media center lo save give him out lo you me all get listeners more too. All get followers blow me lo page. Thank you. Igo lo all get ground officers lo DLA Department lo local authority will stop all provinces blow me. Thank you, everyone who will been help, support them, work, you miss have give him out the information today. Same time too, full team, we have make him say coverage and miss have happen day today. Kasem tomorrow, behalf team, thank you to mas everyone. Mo meeting me back again, tomorrow, 1 hour of coverage blog. National referendum election way and been taken place. Mo you miss go ahead, update them, you me everyone. Tomorrow I go.
So now yeah, time the voice and bright long you now.